Mikono.
This campaign underscores Detol's unwavering commitment to promoting hand hygiene education throughout the country. Our dedication extends to driving access to quality hygiene products designed to protect against bacteria and illnesses, all with this ultimate goal of helping Kenyans maintain hygiene and creating a safe and healthy environment for all. To amplify this reach and effectiveness of this campaign, Detol has partnered with Shining Hope of Community, that's SHOFCO, a local advocacy organization that tirelessly serves the needs of over 350,000 urban slum residents across 10 different slum communities in 3 major cities in Kenya.
Through the unwavering dedication of all the partners gathered here today, you have contributed significantly to the enhancing access to clean water, sanitation, and promoting hand washing in both urban and rural areas of Kenya. Your tireless efforts have helped to reduce the prevalence of waterborne diseases and have improved the overall health of our citizens. The strides we have made as a country are evident, and it is imperative to continue in this momentum.
So we cannot fight. No, fight is a crowd. We cannot get